Hi everybody, and welcome to another Javelin Tech Tip. Today I'll be discussing some of the advanced abilities that SolidWorks has when importing DWG-based geometry. Here we can see I have a simple DWG file, just a basic star shape with some extra layers and some dimensions. Let's go ahead and open this DWG file within SolidWorks and see how the DWG geometry behaves as it's imported into a sketch. I'm going to close my DWG file and pop over into SolidWorks through the Open dialog, choosing the DWG file filter, and then running through the Import dialog, importing this as a 2D sketch within a part file. In this first run through, I'd like to import the dimensions as well as add constraints to the geometry. This next portion of the dialog is going to see us merge points any closer than our fudge factor we have here. Let's redefine the origin of the sketch and then finish the import process. SolidWorks is going to bring that geometry into a sketch, and the dimensions that were imported are now attached to the geometry from the DWG file. Here we can import or insert a value of 4 inches. Let's do that one more time to get a little more effect. And we see that now the geometry is parametric based upon the dimensions to which it is attached. Let's go ahead and run that import process again. I'm going to exit my SolidWorks file and not save the work. We'll choose to open the DWG file one more time, importing it into a 2D sketch once again. This time we'll just add the constraints to the geometry and leave the dimensions out of the conversion for now. Once again, changing the origin of the sketch to be imported. And we see what SolidWorks has done. It's added once again the few relations that we saw last time, but has ended up leaving the majority of the sketch geometry underconstrained. To remedy this situation, we're going to use the fully defined sketch tool. The fully defined sketch tool can be used to either add dimensions or relations or both to sketch geometry that's underdefined. Once the fully defined sketch tool has run its course, we notice that it's added a large number of relations, making geometry that was equal length in the DWG file equal by relation in the sketch. The same goes for coincident relations and collinear relations. Now that we have all those relations added, we have a relatively well-designed sketch that we can now move and resize. Let's place that over top of the origin to generate a coincident relation. And as a last step, we'll go ahead and add a smart dimension to control the entire width of our geometry. We hope this helps everybody understand the abilities that SolidWorks has to work with and add intelligence to DWG geometry upon import. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in a future video.